Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Abst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your HomePlus Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your HomePlus Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in homeplus.loanadministration.com and make a search. The official page of HomePlus Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Scroll all the way down until you reach the login section. Enter your username and password associated with your HomePlus Mortgage account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says Remember my username in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. You will need to tick mark on the box to agree to the terms and conditions of HomePlus Mortgage account. This is how you can log into your HomePlus Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.